I've tied it from there around that little post like that. And just got enough clearance there. Well, there she goes. She's got a roost for the winter. Push. Push now. No. It's moving. No, it's not. The boat is moving. No. Good. So now it's done a handstand on me, but not to worry, I can still winch that back to the front. As I come over the thing, my little legs here were insufficiently attached, so she collapsed a bit there. So it's back to the drawing board and tighten all that up, and then I'll put it on when it's in the shed rather than having to go over that bump. Maybe. So attempt number 2. I've got a hook to the clothesline up on there and lined up there. This time I've reinforced my little legs and I don't have to come over that jump there, and I've got enough travel there to get it balanced onto the cart properly. Got the trailer hooked to the van, so that shouldn't give me any jip. My levels are nearly right. Here comes the transition to catastrophe now. Let's see what happens. Will we keep going? Or should we stop now? Point of no return coming up. Mainly the weight's about the centre of the boat, about there, around the jolly engine and things. I know what, we could let that strap off there and lower the trailer onto there. Yeah, that took some tension off. having the trailer locked to the van didn't allow it to adjust its weight. But no, it's looking better now, so I'll go on a bit more and I'll just... So none of that worked. Now I've got my boat back on the trailer, back the front. So that ends this video for the while. It's back to the drawing board until I design a stronger cart for the winter. So I've strengthened my cart. I've used plywood on the end as opposed to just ordinary timber, and I'm quite sure now that she's going to do the job. I built this little cart so I can put both the car and the boat in the shed over the winter months. See the bird here?
Oh, yeah.
What do you think it is? A gannet. Yeah, they're the ones that dive into the water. Yellow head and a bit of a blue bill and blue beak. So this one here is going to get, see those men coming along now? They're getting the rope ready for this man. And the back one gets a rope off the back man. And then they can keep it from hitting the wharf. See them pulling the big line in? They get a stronger line. So these ones are nearly ready to go. They're filled right up, aren't they? They're filled right up, and then this one must be coming into that gap. The other ones are down and they're putting boxes onto the crate there, the containers. They're going right down in the hold. You watch, it'll disappear down in the hole. And there's their safety boat up here.
Oh yeah. And then will it come back up?
Yeah, see, the ropes are still going. See, there's a man up in the glass box up there and he's lowering it down. He can look exactly where it's going. And they're all weighed so they know that they're not putting too much weight on this side and too much on the other side.
It sounds really far down.
Yeah.
We must be in really deep water, eh?
There it is, coming back up. See? Empty. Huh! Wonder what this one's doing. So I got Chloe with me today. We've just had a look around the Tauranga Harbour. What did you see that was interesting, Chloe?
I enjoyed watching the boat come.
Yeah, the big tugs hooking up and getting it under control, weren't they?
Yeah.
Will you do it again with me?
Yes.
We'll go right out to sea next time, eh? Beauty. Were you cold?
No.
You're alright.
That's good.
Good girl. So I got my second granddaughter here now. She's coming for a wee ride with me. Hop on and I'll get on too. Oh, good jumping. I'll just get it on weight. That's got it.
Want a cup of tea before you head out?
With the whistle. Thank you, love.
Alright, get off, buddy. It's not your turn. Buddy. Buddy. Hey.
Hey, thanks for coming for a ride with me. Did you enjoy the boat ride? Good girl. See you, Sam.